So today we will talk about an application named Wisp. It is made in Linux. So Wisp is a preference-based location finder application. What it does is it takes a location, it takes the ID, Foursquare ID and Foursquare secrets, and it takes the radius from that location, and it finds all the preferences that you give, and it clusters them and find the best place for which you are searching it. So firstly we need to have an Foursquare ID, so we need to have a Foursquare account. So we need to go here and make an account and get the Foursquare client secret and ID. So you can do that, and so let's see how this application works. So I will show some of the basic features of this application. It is made in Manjaro. It's Linux based, and I hopefully think that it will run in all three OS, because it's Python code and Python code runs in every OS. So I have cloned it using the git clone command. So I am here at the Wisp directory, so clearing it. So firstly we need to install it, sudo su. So for installing we will do pip install -r requirements.txt. So firstly we will install all the requirements, because when we install a Python application we just do it, we install the libraries and other things. So mine here, the requirements are already satisfied, so nothing. Oh yeah, numpy is installing again. So now what we need to do is we need to install this application. So Python setup install. So it will be under sudo su, so in administrative privileges. So it has installed this application in Python. Now what we can do is we can see wisp -h. So I have built a command line tool. So this is wisp -h will give the help. So this is the command line interface for Wisp. So what we can do is we can pass arguments as help or -h. So this will show the help message and exit. And let's test this Wisp. Okay. So we will use default secrets. Kolkata. Now radius in meters. Okay, so let's give it yeah, Kolkata. Radius in meters 6,000. Oops, 6,000. Number of preferences 4. Cafe. Let's say Thai. Let's say Chinese. And suppose. Okay, only 3 I have. So firstly we will see it as Mapbox Bright, and we will save this as say Kolkata Mapbox Bright 4 preferences, and we will show this. So this is kind of a retro command line banner. So what it does is it loads the default client secret and client ID. So what is this default client secret and client ID? So it is secrets. So it is present in this secrets.txt. Okay, so I am not showing you my secrets. So you have to, there will be a JSON file, and you just need to fill in this secrets for, or you can do one thing, you can fill it manually also. So this is for Mapbox Bright. So this is one kind of a map for Kolkata. So here is one legend also, legend cafe. This shows for cafe. So cafe, this is Thai, this is Chinese. So Mapbox Bright is not so much good map, so we will try some other maps too. So we have given an optional argument for which we are saving it. So let's see whether it has saved or not. So I'm pausing it. So what I will do is we will go to desktop, then Wisp. Yeah, so this has been saved. Yeah, so it is fine. We can watch it later for later. So it is saved as a file, .html file. So let's try another thing. Wisp, then -h. Let's see what we can do. So we have seen that Wisp comes in 3 themes. So by passing argument like this, t equal to 2, it will be a different color. Okay, means it has got 3 theme, 1 for classic, 2 for light, and 3 for dark. So we will try out the classic theme, and it was kind of a garbage. Too many debugging things were there. So if we don't want that retro look or debugging look, we can pass this -q as argument so that it will be quiet. So this is the second theme, second look for Wisp, and we are using the default secrets again. Kolkata. So radius in meters, suppose 6000, same one. Number of preference, say 4. So what we will do is a river. Suppose we are giving like cafe, restaurant, no, not restaurant, hotel, any kind of hotel, and so supermarket, 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 and we will try this stem and toner. So what we will do is Kolkata, we will save it as Kolkata, then stem and toner, and 4 preferences. Okay, so for this we have given -q, which means it won't give any kind of any debugging thing or like that. So let's see. Yeah, it's a different kind of map. So we can see that it has clustered it. So this is river, means this is kind of a ghat or something, maybe. Yeah, this is bank, means what it is doing is it is actually taking data from Foursquare API, and accordingly you will get. So if you use a kind of, suppose, premium package for Foursquare, you will get more preferences, more data. This is a free package, so, and it is open source too. So we can see that, yeah, it relatively clusters everything pretty good. So accordingly, river, cafe, hotel, and supermarket, these places are good. Means suppose, yeah, this is Hajra Road or something, on this is Park Street area is good. This is Circus Avenue. These are good places. So we can again see that it has been saved as stem and toner, so we can use it. That was a live server, so we can use it for later use. Now, okay, let's try the other theme. This is the dark theme. Use default secrets. Kolkata again. Radius, suppose 5000. Number of preferences 4. Okay, cafe. Let's say park. Chinese food. Okay. Now we will see stem and terrain, and save map as Kolkata. Then we will stem and terrain, and 3 preferences are there. So this is what I want. So I am giving 3 preferences instead of 4, and let's see what it is giving. Okay, this map is pretty good actually. So these are these places according to the preferences. So this zone is very good. This zone is, means best zone is this one, Circus Avenue. According cafe, park, and Chinese food are available here. So we can almost find for any country if the data is present there. So let's try for a different thing. So now let's try for like we are not using that quite argument, so we're using default secrets. So Pune, let's say Pune. I haven't tried Pune yet, so let's see if it works or not. I don't know if it works. If the data is present, so it will work. So cafe Chinese, let's give it, I don't know, Chinese. Okay, park, then more hotel. Okay, so OpenStreetMap. Okay, so this is Pune OpenStreetMap for preferences. We are saving it like this, so we can see that it is debugging that, and we will currently see how it is formed. Fine. Okay, means it works for Pune. Means the foursquare users are much more there in Pune. So this is actually the best place is that Deccan Gymkhana or Surkhavat Peth. This central Pune is the best place for this cafe, Chinese, park and hotel. Obviously city, it shall be the best place. You can never give everything like here or outskirts of the city. City has to be developed. So it's a cool visualization tool for finding anything. So let's see it if it's have or not. Okay, Pune. Okay, fine, we are having it. Now let's try for a different thing. Actually, I like the classic theme better. Okay, Pune. Now Canada. I haven't tried Canada. Seriously, I don't know if it works or not. Not 55. So cafe, gym, cyber cafe, restaurant, and say park. I don't know. Mapbox, OpenStreetMap. Have I tried OpenStreetMap? Yeah, OpenStreetMap. So last one. Canada. Wait, have I tried OpenStreetMap? Okay, this was only OpenStreetMap. Okay, let's try last one, Mapbox control room. So this is preference number 5 and sorry, Mapbox control room preference number 5. So it will show the map. Oops, not much data is present, I think. Okay, cafe, gym, fine. So what is the problem with Mapbox? This one control room is it is like a control satellite control data. It's more cooler, so it won't work for smaller, means when you zoom in much. So it won't work if you zoom in much like this one. So it only works when you zoom out. So this is all about Wisp. So firstly, get the Foursquare ID and Foursquare secrets, then install it, install the requirements all in sudo su, and then install the Wisp application by typing Python setup. I will the documentation will be provided here. Hopefully this will be open source very soon. I need to complete this documentation, then I will open source it. So this is all. So this is themes, 3 themes, and this is all about Wisp. So thanks for watching.